Ever wish you had all the cleaning power and versatility of the Rainbow Power Nozzle, except in a smaller, more mobile package? Here it is, the Rainbow Mate. Just like its big brother, the Rainbow Mate has a motor-driven brush for maximum cleaning performance. But its smaller, more lightweight design allows it to get into many places that the Power Nozzle can't. The Rainbow Mate is ideal for accessing and cleaning smaller surfaces, such as carpeted stairs, upholstered furniture, mattresses, and car interiors. Combined with the Rainbow Mate makes it easy to achieve superior cleaning results in the most hard-to-reach areas of your home. The Rainbow Mate. Proof positive that some of the best things come in small packages.